It's your boy Q here, back with another video. Today, before we start with this Pembrooke car review video, I want to let you guys know something, talk to you guys about something real quick. And that is, I have more than one video coming out today. So, the first video coming out today is this video, when the Pembrooke Pines out. The second video is me reviewing the 2020 Testarossa with one of my friends, Roblox friends. So, that's coming out as well. Also, our UD Drive video is coming today as well as a special gift to you. And in that UD Drive video, I will be being a police officer. And we're going to try all your other jobs as well, alright? And other videos. So enough talking, let's get started. Let's get, started with the video. Alright? So so here it is. So this is the 2006 Honda Accord. If you guys don't know, out of all the sedans, the Honda Accord is my absolute favorite. So this vehicle is extremely cheap. When I say cheap, this thing is really cheap, but maybe not as cheap as you may think. All right. So it only costs $6,900. So it's at a low price, but a good price. You can tell it's a lower end model because if you look at one of the hubcap things here, the rims or whatever you call it, yeah, the rim hubcap, whatever, is missing. I don't know what happened to it. I wish it didn't. I wish it didn't put that design in there because I don't like that. But hey, whatever. There's nothing I can do. We'll walk around. I will say the vehicle is kind of detailed. I will admit the vehicle is not as detailed as I would like it to be, but hey, what you gonna do? If it's 4 people, it's just not as detailed as I thought it would be. I'm gonna say this right now. I am not a big fan of these rims. I'm just not. I don't like them. I just not. The headlights are beautiful, but I don't like those rims. I really don't. This car so far. This car is okay. This car is not visually stunning. I mean, it's not horrible looking, but the rims kind of don't make it look good as good. So the rims kind of bring the car down looks a little bit. But let's get in the car and drive it around. I'll play some music for you guys, and I'm going with this hardcore detail. I'm talking how it drives, turning radius, all of the hard detail stuff after that. So we get in the car. All right. That's how it starts. The starting sound is pretty nice. Here's what the lights look like. Here's what the turning signals look like. Yeah. So yeah, I'm just gonna drive around. And I'm gonna play some music and enjoy the music. Well guys, hope you guys enjoyed that video. Me just driving around. Now I'm gonna give you guys my final details about the cars, what I like, what I don't like. But let's start first with the performance. As you guys saw, I messed up on the driving 2 or 3 times. That's because the handling of this car is very sketchy. So you turn, sometimes the car just turns too tight, and then it just starts going crazy like it did a couple times. Sometimes the car doesn't want to turn, has trouble. Sometimes the car has trouble just simply moving up to first gear, or simply just moving in general. What is the problem? Another problem this vehicle also has is simply backing up. I drove it backing up sometimes, and the handling of this vehicle is not that great. It is a cheap vehicle, so you can't get a cheap vehicle in this game and say, hey, handling's gonna be like a Porsche. But no, it won't be. You can't expect that, alright? It's just a vehicle that's only $6,900. The vehicle looks is not, to be completely honest with you guys, the vehicle looks are just not doing it for me. The details, the looks good, the amount of details just not doing it for me. Again, this vehicle, I would say, is okay. As much as I love the Honda Accord, they really messed up on this one, in my opinion. They didn't do too good job with this one. And I say skip over this one. Get the Pontiac or something. I'll do a video on that car later. But skip over this car. It's not worth it. Just skip over it. Overall, just skip over it. But if you guys really like it, hey, do what you want to do. do what you want to do, you can do what you want to do. Alright? So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the music and stuff like that. I really hope you guys did. Actually, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Just look at music stuff. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. If you guys, make sure you guys subscribe if you guys are new. Also, the video, the Tesla Roadster video, the friend I did it with, I will give you guys a link to his Roblox page. If you guys want to go and check him out and like hang with him, or you know, friend him on Roblox, and so you guys can also be in the videos and stuff. Because some of these super quests have millions of dollars. I don't have the money to get them, but he does. So he's kind of my guy I talk to whenever I need to review a super card that I don't have enough money for. He's my guy. He's like the guy who goes, hey, listen, man, gotta do the video. So he's my dude. You know, when it comes to stuff like that, he's right there. He can do other card review videos with me and stuff. My friend Tyler, which you guys did see in the Ferrari video I did like yesterday, he will also be in more videos more often, most likely in the weekends and stuff. Alright, so if you guys also want to be, also leave a link to his Roblox page as well. You guys can go and, you know, friend them, and also again, make sure you guys talk to them. They also, you know, if you guys also want to be in videos, make sure you guys put in contact if you guys want to be in videos as well. Also, you can also like talk to them as well. You know, has titles and videos. You know, like for example, if you know, just saying, like, you can also ask Tyler, some of my other friends too, that if you want to be in videos too, just ask them and they'll tell me that you asked, and I could say yes or no or whatever. So I will leave a link to my Discord as well. If you guys don't know, I do have my own Discord. There will be a link to it in the description, as well as one of my friends' Discord as well. So I will again. Actually, I'll put it. Oh, actually no. Yeah, I'll just link to my Discord. And again, make sure you guys comment and drop a like on the video. Very important. And I will leave a link to the game itself, so you guys can well, get a better, you guys can play the game for yourself, and I hope you guys are excited for that. So again, you guys are the best in the world. Thank you so much for supporting me and just subscribing and watching my videos. Thank you so much. I work hard on these videos. I get up and running, and I come down and start doing videos right away. Thank you guys so much. You guys are the best. Now, this third video, the third video for today will be coming out later because I do have to work today. I'm working pretty much the entire week, so that normal time when I'm maybe working on a video or getting ready to upload a video, I'll be at work. So that video may come out later, and that video is the duty drive video, but it will be coming out today, a little bit after I get home from work. But I am working today, so yesterday, Saturday, and Friday were my days off. Today I'm working, so that's because of that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and peace.